gets that paper. There
Looks
we
like
go.
that was the right idea, Chris. Now I got a good one.
Yeah, there we go.
Ooh, look at it go. Now it's a hose.
Keep letting it. Actually, just let it ride. Kelly's gonna hyperventilate on us here.
That's just good. That's pretty cool. His came out a little thicker though.
Light it, light it, light it.
Slide it in.
I love how it bends.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you're breathing. Now your breath is like putting the. There you go.
Just let it be.
No, just let it be, Kelly. Kelly,
Don't burn the
Kelly.
plastic.
Don't let it
You're
burn.
you're messing up the smoke.
Alright, now you let it stay.
Don't breathe on it, please.
It was going good at first.
Light it a little bit at the edge.
It's not. It's done.